Check this out. We are all loaded up. It's been a long time coming, but we're finally gonna go kayak camping. And we're here at Lake Bastrop at the South Shore Park at the camp store. And we gotta go get our permit and get everything that we need. Hello.
How can I help you?
I am here to go camping.
Okay, you're site 35. And let's see if it's ready yet. You can still come in even if it's not ready. Oh, it is ready. You're good.
Oh, cool. And that's us way over here, 35. I saw on Instagram, you guys have putt-putt golf here?
We do.
Where's
$8
it?
around.
Where's it at?
It's down by the day use area, straight ahead. So you'll see the boat launch.
Oh,
and
I
you'll
see it.
Yes, sir.
Is it, what, 9 holes or 18?
Yeah, it's just 9 holes, but yeah.
But you can play twice for...
Sure.
Oh, cool. I never even saw it before.
All right, you're good to go. Everything's ready. Enjoy.
Awesome. And what's...
I've got the maps there of the lake and of the hiking trails. Right now, the only trail open is the Heron Trail. Unfortunately, they're doing some work on the trails, but you've got access not only this park, but North Shore and McKinney Ruffs Nature Park. And McKinney Ruffs has 18 miles of trails. That's right next to the Lost Pines Hyatt, going toward Austin.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so that's a good place to check that out. Yeah.
So if you camp here, you can go over there
Yes,
for...
sir. You can just show that receipt there, and I'll give you another receipt as well if you want. Either one works, either the tag for your car or the receipt. So.
That's so cool. Yeah, because I like it over there. My wife and I go hiking over there. Oh, wow, and this has all the depths. Thank you. Oh, do you guys sell firewood?
We do, $6 a bundle.
Oh, that's cheap.
Yeah, we can have it delivered to your site too. You want to call us when you want it, just do the credit card over the phone, we can give it to you.
Okay, how late do you guys stay
We're
open?
here till 5, and we've got some here already for sale at the door too. We'll take some, so. But if you want it delivered, you know, we can do that too.
Yeah, I might as well grab a bundle right now.
Okay.
So I know what y'all are thinking. It's supposed to be kayak camping, but I got the truck, I'm at a boat launch, like nice and fancy. So what I'm gonna do is unload everything out of the truck, put it all in the kayak, and go out. And then I'm only going to use what I can fit in the kayak when we go camping. So this is like a test run. I didn't want to go out on the river where I have no help and no support and forget something or not bring something I need. This is the first time I've ever kayak camped, so I wanted to take it safe so I don't die. So let's go ahead and get everything loaded up and get to camping, guys. And this is all of my drone and GoPro stuff in these tiny little boxes. So much better than those big boxes I had. Well, it all fits. All right, let's hope that's nice and waterproof. Can't forget the sunscreen. Let's go ahead and add another 180 pounds to it. Look how much water's in there. Holy crap. Yeah, we got this thing weighed down. Ooh, I had a follower. Reeling in a little too fast for him, I think. There's our campsite right there. Oh. This is a pretty cool spot. Whew. Oh, well, we made it to the campsite. The kayak floats that got us here. Didn't catch any fish yet, but let's go ahead and get everything set up so we can start camping. Okay, spare clothes. Seems like they stay dry. Look how wet that seat is. Yeah, water's just coming right in. Not too good for shore fishing because it's real shallow and weedy right here. Maybe with a big old weight we can get out there and catch us a catfish or something. Oh, the cooler's by far the heaviest thing I have. Oh. Here's our tent. This here looks like a pretty good spot. And you guys remember how fast this tent sets up. Yep, just like that. It's gonna be good. Nice soft grass, no stickers, walking barefoot. Ah, living the dream. Home sweet home. So I checked the clock right before we started and it was 1:52. Now it's 2:07, so 15 minutes we're completely set up. Everything's ready to go. Waking up to that in the morning. While I'm setting up camp, I'm going to see if I can catch me a catfish with some BJ catfish dough bait. Oh, it stinks so bad. Oh, I got some under my fingernail. That's gonna stink for a while. Maybe I can get it off. I'll show you guys a trick. Okay, it's right out there. Let it sink to the bottom. And then set my bait clicker. Now we just listen. Now to get the stink off your hands, mud. If you use dirt like this, just get mud like gunk. Oh yeah. Just like that. It's like nature's soap. It washes off fish stink, it washes off catfish bait stink. It is the ticket. Okay, first things first. Let's go ahead and inflate the sleeping pad. Golly, this is so cool. And I could just watch the rod from here too. Zuby Lives AirLive 2000 sleeping pad with built-in pump. So inflate, you take this one off. See that? And then you just pump it. And you can use your hand or your foot. Alright, it is inflated. Go ahead and put that back in. Put this back on. Just like so. And then I got my little air pillow. There we go. Little pillow. I'll show you guys this. This is the best headlamp that I've ever found that's like really inexpensive. And it's from Energizer. It's comfortable enough, but what I love about it, watch this. When you push the button, it turns on the red light. The red light's important because it'll preserve your night vision. And then when you push it again, it goes out. So the very first button is red. That way you don't lose your night vision. But if you, and then if you wait a little bit and push it again, it goes out. But then you can push it twice and it turns into all the lights on. And then you wait a minute and then it'll go out. And then if you push it 3 times, it's just that one light to preserve battery. So this light is amazing. It's so rare that they get that right. I have a lantern here somewhere. Here, look. Here's this lantern. And it's cool because it's got like a rechargeable battery. And you just plug it in. And it's got like a USB so you can charge your phone. And it's really neat. But watch this. When I push the button, boom, it turns on the bright light. And then it turns on a dimmer light. And then it turns on the lantern. And then the dimmer lantern. And then red, and then red flashing, and then off. So let's say you use it as a flashlight, right? Boom, I have a flashlight on. You have the flashlight, you leave it on for like 10 minutes, you go to turn it off, you have to push this button 5 times. It's ridiculous. Like, it's something so simple. Energizer got it right. Whoever made this light got it wrong. But it was cheap, and it's got a rechargeable battery, so we will keep it. I'll hang it up right here at the top of the tent. And this is just a Walmart sleeping bag. Ozark Trail, good for 30 degrees. It's supposed to get down to like 50 tonight, so this should do plenty. All right, the bed is made. I'm gonna put you in this pocket. Perfect. Let's go see if we still got any bait on there. Yep, our bait's still on there. Golly, it's a beautiful night. Look at that moon. It's still windy, but not as windy. It's time to get a little chilly. There's a fish jumped right there in the middle. I don't know if it was a bass. I can't quite cast that far. There's a fish jump right there too. Alright, y'all, it is time for dinner. I got these Southside Market jalapeno cheddar sausages. So I went out of the woods and cut a stick. Just put one sausage on that side. And that's going to be dinner. Oh yeah. Hey y'all, we're in the tent. Got the red lights on. Preserve our night vision. Those Southside sausages were amazing. I didn't get the video like me eating them, but I'm pretty sure you don't want to see that anyways. But take my word for it, they were amazing. We'll catch you guys in the morning. Golly, that's awesome to wake up to. Oh wow, they got a shower. It's pretty clean. I like this.